Smart home lighting system using ESP32 and Blink application. I'm Shada Marisa Dosali. So today I'm going to present our project entitled Smart Home Lighting System using ESP32 and Blink application. This project is designed to automate home lighting using an LDR sensor while allowing a user to manually control the lights through a mobile phone using the Blink IoT application. In many homes today, lights are often left turned on even during daytime, which causes unnecessary electricity consumption. To solve this problem, our group developed a smart lighting system that can automatically detect ambient light and control the lights accordingly. The system also provides convenience because user can monitor and control the lights remotely using their smartphones. To develop this project, first, we developed the smart lighting system using ESP32 and LDR sensor. And second, to automatically turn light on during nighttime and off during daytime. Third, to integrate the Blink application for remote monitoring and manual control. And lastly, to promote energy, efficiency, and convenience in home lighting system. We use the components materials that we are using. We include ESP32, microcontroller, LDR sensor, relay module, LED lights or bulb jumper wires, breadboard, Wi-Fi connection, and also the Blink and mobile application. The ESP32 serves as the main controller of the system, while the LDR sensors detect the surrounding light intensity. The system process, we start with the LDR sensor detecting the brightness of the environment. The sensor sends data to the ESP32 if the environment is dark. ESP32 activates the relay and turns the light on. If the environment is bright, the ESP32 turns the light off. The system is also connected to the Blink application through Wi-Fi, allowing users to manually control the lights using their smartphone. So this is the process. Just gonna wait for compiling. So that's, as you can see, you will see the monitor there. Anyway, I'm going to discuss about Blink integration script. We're gonna talk about Blink integration. So the Blink application is used as the user interface of the project. Through the app, users can monitor the system, turn the lights on or off manually, access the lighting controls remotely. The ESP32 connects to the internet using Wi-Fi and communicate with the Blink cloud server in real time. The advantage of the system, I think the advantage of this system, energy efficiency because the lights operate automatically based on the ambient light. Convenience because user can control the light remotely. Cost, save, cost saving by reducing unnecessary electricity, especially nowadays. The electricity was too high. So we want to improve home automation using IoT technology. So yeah, that's the code that we made. So I think this project it's really can help the household because can the bulb will automatically on when when they detect dark, I think. So that's the code. Manu, this is the process when we are doing the blink. So as you can see the bubble on, turn off.